Alright guys, so these are the ingredients we're going to need. Here I have 2 pounds of chicken breast. I have some pepper and some salt. That is just for taste. And here I have 8 ounces of cream cheese. Here I have a blend, a Mexican 4-cheese blend of shredded cheese. And then here I have a teaspoon of chili powder, a teaspoon of ground comino, and a teaspoon of garlic powder. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to grab a mixing bowl and you're going to grab your cream cheese. You want to kind of break it off a little bit so it'll be easy. Right? And now we're going to add all the spices. And then you're just going to sprinkle in a little bit of salt and some pepper. There's no measurements to this. I like a lot of pepper. Let's add a little bit more salt. Okay, and then you're going to add a half a cup of water. Okay, and now we're going to mix this. Okay, so in your crock pot, you're going to add half of this mix. I know it doesn't look appetizing, but trust me, it's really good. Just kind of. And then you're going to add your chicken on top. Just like that. Okay. And now you're going to add the remaining mix over it. It smells so good. Oh my gosh. I get so excited, guys. Okay. So now I'm going to put this into my crock pot. Okay, guys. So here is the chicken. This is what it looks like when it's ready. So what I'm doing right now is I am shredding the chicken. So on this method, you can cook it 8 hours on low or 4 hours on high. I think on low, I think 6 hours is good. Okay, so you want to mix it into the sauce a little bit. So while you just shredded it, just put the lid back on it, kind of keep it in the heat, and we're going to move on to the next step. Okay, and what we're going to do now is we're going to drench the tortillas. So this is kind of the same method as if you were making enchiladas. We're going to preheat our oven to 400 degrees. So we're going to put some oil. It's going to help the tortillas from breaking, just like the enchiladas. Okay, so you want to grab your tortillas. And just like that. See, you're just going to soften them up. Okay, so now we're going to start rolling them up. Here are my tortillas. And then I put the chicken mixture into a bowl. So here it is, nice and shredded. So now I'm going to show you the next step. You're going to grab your cheese. My oven is already preheated. And it's ready for me. So this is what we're going to do next. I'm going to show you a couple times and then you'll kind of get the idea where we're going from there. So you're going to get a tortilla, just like this. You're going to roll them like the enchiladas. Basically, that's what you're going to do. So you put a little bit of cheese. You're going to get some of this chicken mix. Just a little bit. I mean, it all depends on how thick you want it. So good. Okay. So there we go. So now you're going to roll it tight. Okay. Maybe mine tore a little bit. Okay. So let's get another one. Let me show you again. that. Here are my taquitos. This is how they look. These kind of ripped on me because they were the bottom ones and I didn't know that they were like folded, so it ripped. But it's okay, they're still good. The next step I'm gonna do, I'm gonna grab some spray and I'm gonna spray them just like that. And now I'm gonna stick them into the oven. Now the baking time differs. It really differs. The recipe says like 10 minutes, but I don't think it takes 10 minutes. But we'll go ahead and check and I'll go ahead and time it for you. Alright guys, so here are my taquitos. They don't look very good in the picture, but trust me, they're nice and golden brown. I let them cook in the oven for 20 minutes. I did go in there once and flip them. That way they get the even fried texture on both sides. But these are it. These are so good. And I love this method. I am so glad I found it on Pinterest. Because when I used to make them, I mean, it was a really pain in the butt frying them. You know, I would always have to put like a toothpick in them so they don't open while they were frying. So this way you can make so many at a time. You really don't put much work into it. I wish you can really see how golden brown they look. There you go. Because trust me, they don't look that clear and white. But I hope you guys give this a try. Go ahead and top it with some avocado, sour cream, lettuce, tomato. That's how I like to eat it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and I will talk to you guys later. That's cheese.